91, 92 Opee Chee hockey cards. I think I bought these for $60 for about 3 boxes. Anyways, I'm opening. It's my third pack to open. But you want old gum? Valerie Zelapukin. He turned out to be a good NHL. Carbo, Guy Carbonneau, Montreal Canadiens. Ken Hodge Jr. Bob Airy. Knuckles Nyland. Ugly jersey. Brett Hall, league leader in goals. Chris Chelios. Montreal should never have traded him. Anatoly Semenov. Peter Zezel of the Toronto Maple Leafs. Good little hockey player. Tim Berglund. That's it. That's a pack of hockey cards.